So, like terms are the terms whose literal components represent the same number regardless of the numbers used to replace variables. So, this means 3, let's have an example here. So 3x, y, z, and let's say negative 2, z, y, x are like terms because x, y, z and z, y, x have the same variable regardless of the replacement values of the variables. Okay, so let's remove our coefficients here. Let's say, let's give both of these a value. So let's say we have x is 2, we have y is 3, and z is 4. Okay, now let's replace it. So I have 2 times 3 times 4. For here we have 4 times 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 is equal to 24. And for let's say now let's up another one. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. As you can see, they have the same value. So we add like terms by adding the coefficient of the terms as shown as this example. Let's say we have 3 3x x x y minus 2x plus 4 minus 6yx plus 3. Okay, now let's add like terms on this example. So as you can see, 3xy and 6yx. So as you can see, the variables just change. So when the variables change, they are still the same. So let's add the coefficient of these terms. So 3 and negative 6. 3 and negative 6 is equal to negative 3. Now, since our variables x, y, and y, x are the same, you can choose either both of those two. So we can have xy, you can also have yx. So you can choose any of that, but I like to have it xy. Now, we have another different like terms here with 2x, 3x, since both of them have a variable of x. So we're gonna add negative 2, positive 3, which gives us 1x. So in this case, we can just have plus x since it has an invisible one there. So it, and it's you can just not put it when it has a coefficient of 1. Then we have plus 4, which is sitting there lonely, so let's just add it there. So this is the answer. So if we write the terms in the same form, we can see which terms are like terms. So let's change all of the negative exponents into positive. So we have a negative there, so let's bring it down. Bring it down. So the negative sign will become positive. So it will be a squared c. So when we have the negative sign, let's put it on the denominator to make it a positive number, so that the negative sign will change and it will be the same as reverse when we're gonna change it into a negative fraction. So we don't have any problem for that, so let's just copy it. Now here, let's put the negatives on the bottom of the, so since there is over 1 there, so we're gonna have it on the bottom fraction. So we have negative 2 will become positive and c will become positive 1, so we can just have no there because it's 1. So 7b, so we just remove the variables there. So we also don't have any problems on this, so let's just copy. So what do you notice? As you can see, the denominator on this part is the same, and we also have the same variables on the top. So to have and to do so we don't have any confusion, let's have 3b minus 7b. Let's put them all together. 4b, I mean, plus 7b over. Since all of them are the same, so we're just gonna have a squared c. Then since we have that, so let's just copy it since it doesn't have any like terms. Okay, so 3b minus 4b, so this is just the same as 3 minus 4 plus 7. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 7 is positive 6. 6. Since we have b, let's have b. And we have a squared c. Then we're gonna copy that part. 4b a squared over c. So this is the answer, or the simplified form for this equation. So I hope you understand something on this video lesson, and that's it. Thanks for watching.